In this video, I want to give you some additional shortcuts which they are different with regular one. If I hold on the Alt or Option key and then press A, as you see something pop up here written Office Access key. Alt A. And now if I press M as an example, it will merge my cells. I undo that. And it's a bit tricky. If I press Alt or Option A and for example press C by mistake or some other characters like Q, they will disappear or won't work. In this case, press Escape from your keyboard to exit from that. So Alt or Option A, M, I undo that, Alt or Option A, and if I press P, split cells will appear for table. Alt or Option A and then press O, formula will open. Alt or Option and T, splitting your table. I undo that. Alt or Option and R, your table properties will open and by default the Alt Text tab will enabled. So they are access keys for tables inside of Microsoft Word. Also, if I press Alt or Option A and press W, as you see, my pen drawing will enabled. And some other features may be not working similar to this. Alt or Option A and maybe as an example X, nothing gonna work. If I press C, still you have continue, which I don't recommend go so deep. So only shortcuts of access key for table I defined you. Alt or Option A and then M for merge, P for split cell, O for properties, T for split table, R for table properties, and W for draw table.